Hello guys, welcome back. This is GW Computer Tutorials. As usual, we are going to learn about C++ partner programs, right? So before starting, let me show you the program what will return, right? You see, once I run this program, this is its output, right? So now I would like to ask you a question. Are you able to write C++ program that prints this output, please? If yes, please let me know in the comment section, and please be with us because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can write C++ program to print this pyramid pattern program, right? So keep watching this video until the end. You will be able to do it step by step. Yeah, before starting, remember that in the last time we wrote this program to display this an output, this one. You see this one. So now what you are going to do is just to change condition, right? So that you can print what we have started with, right? Yeah, now let us minimize this one and we are going to change here condition for if statement, right? If now j is greater, instead of less than, is greater than I, right? To mean our j will looping 5 times and printing this star for the first I, where I is equal to 1, right? And so on and so forth. So once we save this program, make a compilation first of all, and then we can run it. Now you see, now this is our output, right? See now the changes. You see, for our j now is looping from 1 to 5. Once j is equal to 1, because the j will start with 1 and 1 is equal to 1, in that case we display star here, right? Then j will be increment, right? We mean we will get j which is equal to 2. When j is equal to 2, also 2 is greater than or equal to I. J is greater than I. So also we will display star until j is equal to 5. Where j is equal to 5, we will get 5 less than 5 greater than or equal to I. Also we will display star here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. But when j is equal to 6, this condition will be not satisfied. That's why we will go to the end line here, right? Then to start new line by incrementing I by 2. Then also for I which is equal to 2 will come back here. Then we start with j which is equal to 1 for I which is equal to 2. Then until the also condition for I will be false, right? So this is how we can write this C++ program to print this pattern program which looks like the pyramid, right? So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.